Hey guys, Mr. Hanson here for our weekly introductory video. I just wanted to go through quickly, guys, what's going on for this week. Um, I just have one post aside from this one that I'm going to post on its own later. Material that we have. This is our last reading and asking the right questions. So the section on this one, make sure I tell you the correct title. What reasonable conclusions are possible? So the idea behind this is sometimes we don't know the conclusion to something. Okay, so when we talk about rival causes for why something happened, this is just the opposite, where people are predicting that this is going to be the outcome if we follow this course, and people are not always in agreement on that point. Okay, so this is what that chapter's on. So it's a short one. I'm not going to have you guys answer I would like you to look at the exercises, but I'm not going to have you post it this week. In addition to that, I would like you to read Should Sports Be Child's Play? Or I think that's what it's called. I might have wrote it down wrong. Oh, sorry. It's Sports Should Be Child's Play. I'm sorry. And then The Gender Gap. So those two essays. If you can have those done, I know that's kind of a tight order by Tuesday, but those two essays and that chapter are pretty short. By Thursday, I would like to have you guys look at creating writing composition. And this is out of a book that I don't have for you guys, but it's called Becoming Rhetorical. This is an excellent book on writing. I was going to use more from this, but this chapter I think is particularly choice. So I have a copy of it here just right there for you to look through. It's a little bit longer, so that's why it's its own deal. So we can discuss that on Thursday. Also, in addition, guys, I don't have you do any writing or response to this. So this is kind of on your honor to read this stuff. But also, another reason for that is by Sunday, I want you to have your second paper submitted. Another thing I want to discuss with you guys. You knew that Dr. Wolstenhume said that we were going to be done by May 15th. My schedule with you guys is really tight, and we could potentially be done by then, but it would be really, really, really hard because we still have to do one more paper plus a portfolio. So your next, what I think that we need to do, and I again sincerely apologize because this is not going to be the true for your other classes unless you're doing dual enrollment, but we're really going to have to go to the end of May. I mean, I just don't really see how else we can do it. I'll try to give you guys, light work as much as we can. I will give you, we don't have to necessarily meet in those next 2 weeks unless you have questions or things, and I will try to lighten up the stuff as much as I can, but I'll give you those assignments that you need to do, and you can just kind of work through them at your own pace. But we can talk on Tuesday and kind of see what you guys want to do, but I'm trying to grapple with this idea of how we can get all this stuff done without being too burdensome to you guys, if that makes sense. So anyways, that's all that I have, guys. So also know that Sports Should Be Child's Play and The Gender Gap are, I think, also in your 10 Norton Reader book under op-eds. So you can look at those there, or you can look at them online here. So anyways, I hope you guys are doing well. I do worry about you. I know you have a lot on your plate right now with your bigger classes, but we'll just keep plugging away, and we only have a few more weeks left before we're done. So, I'm here to support and help as much as I can. If you guys would like me to look at your second papers and give you some feedback, I can get online and look at some of those things. Hopefully you have a good chunk of it done by now, or at least hopefully you're doing more than just have thought about it. But, I'll let you give me a heads up on that. So if you would like me to look at it, shoot me an email, or you can tell me in our group meetings, and I'll look at it and give you some feedback and kind of help you in that direction. Remember, these are an APA, so any questions you have on that sort of thing too, you're certainly welcome to address to me. But okay, well, that's all I have, guys. Happy reading and good luck to you this week.